Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a addition of common fractions. Now guys, before we're able to do anything here, we need to make sure that our denominators are the same. So we need to do something to these denominators to find a lowest common denominator. And this one's fairly simple because we know by simply timesing the 100 by 10, we will turn it into 1,000 by adding that extra 0. So let's do that. So on the right hand side here, I'm going to say 4 over 100, and I'm going to times the top by 10, and I'm going to times the bottom by 10, and I'm going to add the 3 over 1,000. Okay, great. Moving on to the next step, I'm now going to execute the multiplication. So 4 times 10 is 40, and 100 times 10 is giving us the 1,000 that we wanted. So that's going to be 3 over 1,000. And that now we can add. Remember, the denominator stays the same, but we add the numerators. So that's going to be 43 over 1,000. Now guys, that's the same as saying 43 divided by 10 to the 3. And when we have that in scientific notation, we know we move our comma 1, 2, 3 to the left to make the number smaller, and that's going to be our final answer. So the answer is 0,043, and A is the one that matches our answer, so that's going to be the final answer for this question. I hope it helped. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If we haven't answered your question yet, remember you can send it to us either via WhatsApp or email, and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time guys, stay epic.